If you're having issues with the Lyft sound or notifications, in this video let me show you exactly on how you can fix this issue. Now firstly, what you can check out is if you have enabled the do not disturb mode. If your phone currently is enabled for do not disturb, this is the exact issue that you're facing. Whenever the do not disturb mode is enabled, you won't be able to hear any sort of sound and any sort of notification would not show up as well. So make sure you toggle off or turn off the do not disturb mode on your phone. Now if this is not the case for you, the second thing that you need to ensure is that the Lyft has the app permissions. So what you can then try out is try to tap and hold the app and then head over to this eye icon. Once you're inside of the settings page, head over to notifications and make sure that the allow notifications is enabled. If this is not enabled for you, make sure you enable it. Also make sure that within the notifications panel, you can select different options such as locks, app icon badge or notification pop-up. Depending upon what you want, you can make sure to enable these options as well. Now even after you've done both of these steps and you're still having this issue, then this likely may be a temporary glitch on your phone. So you can try to reboot your phone by tapping and holding the power button, and once your phone restarts, you can also try to reinstall the application. This ensures that you have the latest version and any sort of bugs which might be causing the issue will also be now fixed. I do hope this guide video helped you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next video.